Kan long shisha ka khana ka bansakut haman laki donut jaki pajba ka Mawhati constituency hakaba haka khanyo trik nailar aja arpu ar la yo ban pli pajba yo Buh Mawnongrim ban siang rong ya ka Surok nalat Umsning-Sonidan ka badan kumba saupho kilometari ei ya ka mang pisa ban siang rong ya ka Surok lamang lingba ka Meghalaya integrated transport project ya ka balabai pisa da ka World Bank haka jinglut ka bankot kumba praplai point lai prak lur tingka lawan bansaki ya kani kesngi do menteri ketena transport bar kumjuru ubalong MLA ka Mawhati uba dasakhiat bhalamare uba sostan sotun MLA ka Jirang uba Jason Saukme Maudong MLA Umsning uba Wailat Shilla MLA Jwai Urakesh Sangma chairman ka GHADC kakong Magdalene Maulong MDC Umsning uba Victor Rani MDC Jirang ba TG Nengnong secretary PWD BP Marak Chief Engineer berkiwe-kiwe de ki rangba officer na district bat na PWD. Hagan ni kasengi na kaliang menteri rangba ula penpau ya ke jingkemen habala la ban pen Urlong ya ke jingtrang juki pat ba ni kathan ki bala ang nur la palat Jingphohsniew. Kani ka Surok kala syusha i kumtu klam kanu ke jingpen ramot ya ka berkumjuru kade ka Surok kabala maramot ningkong ha ka por badang long menteri rangba upurno e sangma bang kwa hedwar play. Ulong rupa ka sarkar MDA kan yai syakri upai ba ka jalla ha ka babon ki liang khamta manwan rai ka roi ka par wala dan ki bapen mi ye ki jingkan tho ki baharukam.
At the very outset, I would like to thank God Almighty. It is because of His blessings that we are here today. And it is His blessing that we have been able to bring this development and this very important road connectivity for the people of Mawhati and Umsning constituency. I was made aware about the fact that this road has been neglected for many years, and I knew this for a very long time. But what I did not know was that the last time this was repaired was during late P.S. Sangma's time. So being here today and laying the foundation stone for this very important road makes it even more special to know that we are able to continue the work that was started by our leader. And we are able to take things forward now to a logical conclusion. This road is of great importance not only for the people of the constituency, but it is a strategic road for the entire state of Meghalaya. Through this road, we get connectivity in a much shorter way to Jagi Road and then to Upper Assam. And the fact that it saves a large long length of distance and time makes this road a very strategic road economically.
This is something not comparable to other unveiling of foundation stone, I could say. Because this is a road that has been idle, that has been like this, the way you saw it when we were coming all the way from Umsning. It has been this way for the past 40 to 45 years, if I'm not mistaken. And you might be surprised to know, sir, that the first and the last time who felt pity about Mawhati constituency to give us the black topping was your late father, sir, when he was the chief minister. And the people of Mawhati constituency, before electing me as the MLA from the National People's Party, had no doubt that me as a representative of the NPP, the same time with you with your family by my side, we had no doubt that we will be able to finish this one task, which is one of the most important, that is to make it new, bring it again the way your late father has done it, sir. So thank you so much, sir, for proving us right from the beginning. And on behalf of the constituency of Mawhati, sir, I thank you so much, so much for considering to make this project a priority. No problem if it's a bit late, but our dream has come true.